Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Hero. Happy Memorial Day, and let's just thank all those that gave their lives for this country and for our freedoms. Real quick on this video today, we're just prepping for the barbecue, cookout, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to be cooking at home today. I'm going to be cooking at my in-laws, so I'm going to prep everything. This is just an easy, quick tip to do, whether you're doing it at home or you're doing it at someone else's house. That way, you show up, you're ready to go, have fun instead of sitting there in the kitchen, cutting and trimming and shaping and measuring and doing all that nonsense. So please, quick tip: prep all before you go. As I'm going to do this, I'm going to prep everything out, portion it, but I'm also going to caramelize this onion. So I'm going to do this first. That way it cooks as I'm portioning, prepping everything else. All right, guys, we're back. 10 minutes later, here we go. Got all my lettuce cut and prepped, my tomatoes cut and prepped, my corn portioned down so I can fit more in the pot. Got my caramelized onions ready to go. Got my 2 pounds of hamburger meat portioned of 1/3 pound patties. And that's it. All you gotta do is literally about 10 minutes worth of work at home. Save yourself from having to do it at the barbecue or a cookout or whatever you want to call it. And that means you can enjoy yourself a good beer, relax, and once you get to the party, you don't have to worry. Have a great rest of your Memorial Day holiday. Please like and subscribe, and if you like this, please leave some comments as well, and I will cook some dishes you guys want to see. Thank you. Have a great one.